Hey, bitch.
Hey everyone, check out Mrs. PaTHOTO Head. I'm just doing a live stream on this broad.
There you go.
This is the High Five app.
King T, what's up, King T? Hey, Fro. Thank you guys. I'm from Miami. Thank you. Thank you, King. Y'all make sure to favorite King, you guys. Thanks, baby. I appreciate it. Thank you, King. Thanks, Boo Boo. Hey. Cause you got an ass like that. Thank you, King T. Woo, you feeding me all these chicken legs. You know I like me some chicken legs. You know what I'm saying? Well, thank you. Okay. Oh, hey. Apple, thank you for favoriting me, love. I'm getting some chicken legs. I was on live Thursday, November #1 gifter, and a guy came in and dropped.
Giving this broad too much shout out. Man. She got her mouth wide open. Yeah.
What?
Ready to suck that dick for money.
Holy fuck shit. Francis.
Mrs. PaTHOTO Head.
Dale, thank you for favoriting me. Thank you, Devon. Thank you, guys. What's his name? Francis? He's a big gifter on here. Okay. What's his name? Francis?
Eyes all close together.
Thank you. I know he's a big gifter. There's a few others that I know their names. Oh, I don't know who that is. Do you like girls?
A female
not really, not sexually. I hang out with girls. I love hanging out with girls. I support women. I feel like women empowerment is a big thing, but I'm not into them sexually, no.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dale.
Aww.
Martin, thank you for favoriting me, love. Thank you, Devon. Yeah, we should have favored Devon. Hey, Prince.
Got a shout out from a woman that liked Mrs. PaTHOTO Head. These guys like Mrs. PaTHOTO Head.
Oh, okay, cool. Y'all make sure to favor Red Bone, you guys. Make sure y'all favor my beautiful ladies, favor my yellows, favor my top bubbles, favor me, guys. What's up, King? Thank you for favoriting me. I don't know. I still haven't figured out what I want to do with the kids. Bobby, you a mess. What's up, handsome? Hi, Sela. Y'all make sure to favor Sela, you guys. Favor all my beautiful ladies. Buenos dias, Steve. How are you, boo? Buenas tardes, buenos días. Todavía no es de noche. So I get it for daddy.
Mrs. Head. Guys, I'm not stressing this female. I just thought I'd make an interesting topic about her.
What's up? What's up, King? Farhan, thank you for favoriting me. My curls, right? They're so crazy.
Anyway, I'm gonna X this shit out.
Drop a gift. I want a red carpet. It looks like I'm hopping on the dick, huh? Serious.
Yo, guys,
I wish I would. Definitely gonna feel better than this. What's up, man? All right, Elmer, no problem, baby. Dude's like, I wish you would chill. Thank you, dude. How much of the favorite dude, you guys? Woo! So, 10 minutes in, baby. 10 minutes. We got this. We got 20 more to go. What's up, Walking Bank, bro? What's popping? What's going on? We still got 20 more to go. Good morning, good morning, good morning. back at the gym. What's up, Robert? That cardio up fast. Even though we're about to do some more cardio later on today, I'm gonna teach y'all how to salsa and merengue today, boy. Y'all better don't miss my show today, boy. Don't miss it. We gonna learn today. Cardio gonna make my booty flat, not if you do squats, baby. Listen, I've been working out for a long time. If that was the case, I would have had a flat booty already. You gotta know what you're doing. This bitch right here will never have a flat booty. Thank you, dude. Y'all make sure to favor, dude. Thank you, baby. Hi, Rabia. How are you, baby? Y'all make sure to favor all my beautiful ladies in the building, y'all. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby.
Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby.
Yeah. Get it. Come on. I should have heard you guys. Thanks, baby. You have a good one, dude. What's up, Sultana Ani? How are you, beautiful? What's going on with you? A massage? What's going on, huh? I'm over here at the gym. I'm doing good, baby. Just working out, breaking a sweat after this long ass weekend. Just getting up. Oh my God. I wish that was my life. I gotta wake up early as shit. What's up, Rashonda? I wish, man. I don't get to sleep in ever. It was tired. I was tired last night too. I went to sleep early, but I be trying to sleep early anyways, because I always wake up at the same damn time. Thank you. I can never sleep the morning, not even on the weekends. Oh shit, 7:30? Oh, okay, because you got a different time. Oh, it's 10:30 in the morning already here. I've been up since like 6 in the morning. Thank you, Viper. Thank you, baby. Oh, cause that's right, you're in Cali. I forgot about that. I forgot you was in Cali. You gonna go to VidCon? All right, pal. You have a good one. Yes? Aw, lucky you. I don't think I can make it out there. The tickets is too expensive. From Miami to Cali, that shit crazy because it's summertime. Yeah. I wish I could go. What's up, CF?
But I got too many things going on right before. I got my son's birthday. I got my sister's baby shower. I got a lot of shit planned out, so I know. But I should have got in there way before. Like right now, it's too expensive. It's too close. We're already gonna be in June, pretty much. What's up, Lacoste? Yeah, I don't think I'll make it out there. But maybe next time. I plan ahead and shit. Oh, boy, this shit crazy, man. Kill it. What's up, Flo? What's poppin'? What's going on? Woo. I'm doing good, Philip. How are you, baby? What's up, D9? I'm working it out, y'all. Alright, Hooked. You have a blessed day, beautiful. I hope you have a great broadcast, my love. This shit crazy, bro. Thank you, baby. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm gonna show my favorite Hooked on Onyx, you guys. Make sure y'all favorite my beautiful lady. Yes, working out. Working out, baby. Let me favorite you, beautiful. Hi, baby. What's up? What's up, Jason? Thank you for favoriting me. Is it lit? Am I saying that correctly? I see you. Yes, I'm doing good, Flo. I'm just suffering right now. After a whole weekend of craziness, coming back to the gym slows me down. I said thank you for favoriting me. Thank you, Liz. I appreciate that. Thank you, Junior. Good morning, Uncle Dodger. What's up, boo boo? What's going on, y'all? Y'all good? Y'all good? My name is Lovely, I got Lovely, baby. That's her name. They said, what? What's her name? Her name's Lovely, baby. Thank you. Jason, thank you for favoriting me. Andre, thank you for favoriting me, guys. Thank you, I appreciate it. Woo. This shit ain't no joke, man. This shit ain't no joke. Thank you for favoriting me, love. Thank you, I appreciate that. Why do women gotta get fat? Why does fat need to exist?